Okay, that's number 7 from your laws of sine and cosine worksheet. So let's notice what's given here. I didn't write in my given side here. A was 200. We're missing sides B and C. So we have 2 angles in a side. So 2 angles in a side here. That means, and notice that the side is not in between the angles. So this would be angle, angle, side. So with angle, angle, side, that means we get to use laws of sine. We don't need laws of cosine here. Now, anytime you have angle, angle, side, or angle, side, angle, you're given 2 angles. So the third angle should be automatic. And a lot of times we know that, we just don't think to do that. So notice that you have 150 and 20 there would give you 170. So that means angle B would have to be 10 degrees. Okay, so now let's find our other 2 sides. And I'm just going to do the laws of sine here and just set up the whole thing. So you do A over sine of A, so it would be 200 over sine of 150 equals 10, no, I'm sorry, B over the sine of 10. And then C over sine of C, so C over sine of 20. Okay, so notice the ratio that I'm giving both of them in there is going to help me the most. I'm going to cross multiply with that ratio. So I'm going to go ahead and find B first and cross multiply with these 2. So we'll get 200 times the sine of 10 equals B times sine of 150. And now we're going to solve for B. So I'm just going to get rid of sine of 150 by dividing it off on both sides. Okay, now I'm going to look like a decimal place right there. Hang on. All right, let's divide on both sides by sine 150. So that goes away. And we've got B here. Now we're just going to throw that part in the calculator. So 200 times sine of 10 divided by sine of 150. Okay, so we get about 69. It would round up to 0.5 there for side B. Okay, now for side C, what I'm going to do here, just let me get this work out of the way. Ooh, I don't want to spin it around. This just isn't working. Okay. I guess I could just delete it. Now, I'm going to basically sort of cover up the middle part here. How about I just erase it? Okay. So now, got the middle, done the middle part. Now, let's cross multiply here. So we get 200 times sine of 20 equals C times sine of 150. Now we're trying to solve for C. Notice we're not finding angles, so we're not doing kind of any inverses here. Divide by sine of 150 on both sides now to get rid of that. And now all I have to do is throw this part in my calculator. So here we go, 200 times sine of 20 divided by sine of 150. Okay, so that gives me about, let's see, 136.8. For side C. Okay, that's it. So we have these 2 sides, 69.5, 136.8, and then angle B is 10 degrees.